Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Hierarchical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Authenticator into your phone for the first time. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Google Authenticator, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application into your device. Then after that, you just simply have to tap into this Get Started button. And now, after tapping into Get Started, Google will ask you which account you would like to use into here. I'm opening this account. You just simply have to select the account and click to continue. Then after this, you are all set to use Google Authenticator. This is all you have to do in order to set up or use Google Authenticator for the first time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.